three-member bench headed by Justice Justice Bandial has given a judgment telling the Election Commission of Pakistan that it has to hold elections in Punjab, and it did not have the power to delay the elections as it had done earlier in its order when it delayed the elections from April 30th to October 8th. At the same time, the Supreme Court also ordered that for the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa elections, the decision will have to come from the relevant forums. So this probably means that PTI will have to approach the provincial high court, I assume, and then it will be decided there, or the election commission can obviously give a date for it independently and prevent another legal battle there. But the main thing here is whether or not this decision will be implemented, because in the few days in the run-up to this, it's been very obvious that the Supreme Court is divided. In fact, divided is an understatement. There seems to be a small-scale war going on in the Supreme Court with their orders against each other, and now a new bench has been formed, and that also makes it clear that the conflict is not going to be resolved in any way. And then at the same time, the government is clearly siding with one side of the Supreme Court in this matter, and at the same time, they are not interested in elections currently. So there is a good chance that this entire battle will be played out over the next few days, and this decision is not going to be the end of it. We will have to see the reaction from the government. We will have to see the reaction from the Election Commission. We will also have to watch the reaction from the Supreme Court itself. There is clearly now, two sides there. What does the other side, how does it react, whether it gets any support from the government or not? And then obviously the establishment will be a key player. After all, if the government for once is taking a stand against the judiciary, this is unique in the post-2008 period, and it's so because the establishment and the government are now on one side and the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court on the other.